sponsor of the 2012 Olympics in London, but is especially proud in there. So I got to feel he might beat the other tractor. Daniel Ryan, out of it, coming on strong. Boy, you lose that fire, it's over with. At least you got to stop before the 75 and he'll get drugged back and he'll get to try it again. Daniel Ryan, out of it, didn't exactly come on strong, but he's going to try it again. Okay, real quick here. Road Gear Plus of Jess Parker goes to the number 2 spot at 3:20 and 2:09. So that will put him number 2 behind Cody Yard, 3:22.56. Puts Dave Yard down to number 3 at 3:16.55, and number 4 will be Jeff's other tractor. Weekend practice that's number 4 at 2:97 and 7:8. So right now, the man out of Martinsville, Ohio, has put himself in the number 2 and number 4 spot in his class of 7 10,000-pound pro stock tractors. All right, we're going to start coming on strong one more time. This is it. Nice job. Anyway, I got it in it. Give Daniel a big hand. That was his last shot at it. Daniel Rice got a interception. Didn't exactly coming on strong tonight. He'll get another shot at it tomorrow night. We'll see what he can happen. We thank him. Alex Laughlin, the blue truck out of Martinsville, Texas, up the pool. Not good, he would have lost that pressure. Give Alex a big hand. We're going to have to back up and try this one again. Okay, we got a new runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, out of Cat Spring, Texas. A little whip of Donald Nelson goes 318 feet and 5'4", which is a notorious Scott Weeds out of the Apples down to number 3 at 3:15 and 20. Country Heat still leads it. And then, of course, number 4 then is pushed on down. Okay, it's going to move on down to, Gunsmoke. Robert Sigjack will go number 4. Your leader still is Simmons on the Country Heat out of Macon, Missouri. And again, we are going to go out to all right, let's drop Alex and get his 5 back. If he keeps that pressure built up, or you lose that boost and it goes away in a hurry, doesn't it? Alex Laughlin, the boost truck out of Martinsville, going to try it again. Get in it. Tremendous amount of fuel going in there. You just can't keep that turbo spinning and ginning and making go. Give Alex a big hand out of Martinsville. We'll come back tomorrow night and try it again. Okay, here we go. Out of Columbus, Texas, class of 10,000-pound pro stock, sanctioned by the Outlaw Truck and Tractor Pullers. Here we go. Jimmy Brackett got a farm and fertilizer business. He business there in Richland, Missouri. Hill, Jimmy, and Brad. All right, so he was going for it. He knew that he needed speed to get down to this other end, and I tell you what, this old crap. That's the aspiration carburation. We're going to see what we do with it. The Rattler, just as good. The Rattler kind of rattled out. But at least he did for the 75-foot mark, so he's back up and try it again. These guys are really easing into them tonight over here. And I'm back on time. Here we go, oh man, the high price of fuel in that we got him. Wayne Lindsay, give him a big hand. Not a good night for the high stage. Stick a fork in his dug. Let's see what he can do. Oh yeah, got her down there, got a little bit of a fire, matter of fact, a lot of fire. Okay, he's got a fuel line, guys, feeding it down below. Yep, looks like he burned it off. These things kind of like to do it anyway, those manifolds and everything. It's not uncommon to kind of have a little barbecue thing going on top up there. But it's a little bit more than normal. Matter of fact, we still got some dirt burning down below there. Okay. Moisture gases are down pretty good there. Still got some underneath. Right now I don't see any more flame right at this moment. Does it look like maybe they had some up there in the starter area? Okay, Brady goes 2:59 and 1:5. Okay, real quick here, we'll give you the rundown. Winning it tonight is going to be Brett Burns with the Silvernator. Number 2 is going to go to River Rat, Wayne Longnecker. Number 3, Cameron Lee is going to go number 3 with the Cotton Candy. Number 4, Kyle Pitts with the Thermal Fun. All right, James gets back up with the Copperhead out of Sulphur Springs. All right, the fire show's free. Dustin Riola, hard to handle. It's Junior Big Hand out of Stevensville.